In a world where always-on connectivity is critical and network reliability is non-negotiable, Fortinet is proud to introduce FortiExtender Vehicle 511G, a 5G wireless mobile gateway designed to connect and protect the most demanding environments. With FortiExtender Vehicle 511G, secure wireless connectivity knows no bounds. From optimizing operations and improving safety to enhancing overall efficiency, this technology ensures uninterrupted network access wherever it's needed most. Equipped with dual 5G SIM cards and an eSIM and smart SIM switching options, this device provides secure connectivity for businesses and critical emergency services. Experience high-performance Wi-Fi 6 as well as support for wired connectivity to all your devices. With an IP64 rating, the FortiExtender 511G is protected from dust and splash ingress and is designed to conquer the most demanding environments, including rugged deployments. It features a 2.5 gigabit Ethernet WAN port, 4 1 gigabit Ethernet LAN ports, 1 USB 2.0, 1 DB9 serial connection, and an industrial digital I/O port for external device control. Let's delve into this scenario. Picture FortiExtender Vehicle 511G seamlessly integrated into a manufacturing fleet of automated guided vehicles as they navigate the warehouse with precision. Connected via both Wi-Fi and private 5G simultaneously for safety and control, the FEV 511G ensures uninterrupted operations. But what if the private 5G connection fails unexpectedly? With Wi-Fi already in place, the FortiExtender Vehicle 511G keeps the AGV or AMR moving, ensuring seamless connectivity and uninterrupted operations. In a world where electric vehicles are on the rise, few charging stations stand miles apart, each a beacon of progress. But what happens when these stations need a crucial update from their headquarters? FortiExtender Vehicle 511G provides the necessary secure connections. Through the power of FortiGate, a secure VXLAN over IPsec tunnel is formed, making the remote sites an integral part of the main office network. Resources and security services flow seamlessly as if they were directly connected. In this connected world, no update is ever out of reach. In the heat of the moment, a police cruiser races against time, dispatched to a remote location. In this scenario, connectivity is a lifeline. Equipped with the cutting-edge FortiExtender Vehicle 511G, this cruiser remains on the case. With dual 5G SIM cards connecting across different carriers, FortiExtender provides active-passive failover for enhanced business continuity. If Carrier 1 becomes unavailable, the cruiser remains connected through Carrier 2. With FortiExtender Vehicle 511G, the police force is always connected, always ready. No mission is too remote, no challenge too great. FortiExtender Vehicle 511G, 5G connectivity without compromise. Secure your network. Empower your journey. Talk to your partner today.